Did you guys see this? Is this girl really serious? Keesha has taught you guys well. Now you're getting people's pages deleted. Really? This is classic Keesha. Classic Keesha behavior. And now you're doing the same thing. Meanwhile, you've taken your friend's situation, has minded her business to try to get views and to try to get, what did you say? Traction? To make yourself relevant. When you're really just a nobody, and nobody would know you if it wasn't for Keesha. If you can't stand the heat, get out the kitchen, boo.